Your 2007 to 2015 Lincoln MKX's rear wiper blade is crucial for maintaining visibility in rain and snow. Over time, the rubber deteriorates, leading to streaks and reduced effectiveness. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that enhances safety. This video guides you through the process. The 2007-2015 Lincoln MKX typically uses a 12 to 14-inch rear wiper blade. Confirm the exact size for your model year via your vehicle's VIN or by measuring the existing blade. Both OEM and aftermarket options are readily available online and at auto parts stores. Consider silicone-infused blades for longer lifespan. For replacing the rear wiper blade on your 2007-2015 Lincoln MKX, you'll need a new wiper blade specifically sized for the rear application. Optional items include nitrile gloves for cleanliness and a soft microfiber cloth. No special tools are required for this simple task. Optional for cleanliness: nitrile gloves to keep your hands clean during the replacement process. Also optional, a soft microfiber cloth to wipe the wiper arm if needed. No special tools are typically required for this replacement. For preparation, park your MKX on a flat surface, turn off the ignition, and ensure the wiper arm is in the park position with the liftgate closed. Begin with step 1, lifting the wiper arm. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear glass. Be careful not to force it, as this can damage the motor. The goal is to expose the blade attachment mechanism. Locate the release tab on the blade's end where it connects to the arm. It's usually a small button or lever. Press the tab and slide the old blade off the J-hook or bayonet-style arm. If it's stuck, use WD-40 sparingly. For installing the new blade, first align the hook on the new wiper blade with the J-hook or bayonet-style arm on your 2007-2015 Lincoln MKX. Then snap the blade into place, making sure it clicks securely onto the arm. Finally, double-check the connection by gently tugging on the blade to ensure it is firmly attached before proceeding. Step 4. Testing the new wiper. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the glass. Activate the rear wiper to test its operation. Look for smooth, streak-free movement. Streaking indicates misalignment. Adjust the blade if necessary. If the wiper doesn't park correctly or operate smoothly after replacement, it might signal a motor issue requiring professional attention. Regular inspection every 6 months prevents reduced visibility and potential safety issues. Doing it yourself saves money compared to dealership labor costs. Handle the wiper arm gently, as plastic components weaken over time. Silicone blades offer better longevity in extreme climates than traditional rubber. Remember to prioritize safety and proper maintenance for your Lincoln MKX.